I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Updating your personal information on Toptal is straightforward if you follow these steps. Step 1. Log into your account. Start by logging into your Toptal account using your credentials. This will take you to your dashboard where you can manage your profile. Step 2. Navigate to Profile Settings. Once logged in, look for the profile icon or your name in the upper right corner. Click on it and select Profile Settings from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Edit Personal Information. In the Profile Settings, you will see various sections. Click on Personal Information to access fields like your name, email, and phone number. Make the necessary changes. Step 4. Save changes. After updating your information, make sure to scroll down and click the Save button to apply the changes. If you forget this step, your updates won't be saved. Step 5. Verify your updates. Finally, navigate back to your profile to ensure that the changes are reflected correctly. This is a good way to double check that everything looks right. I hope this guide helps you easily update your information on Toptal. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.